Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Domo app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Domo is a powerful business intelligence app designed to help organizations visualize, analyze, and manage their data in real time. It connects with hundreds of data sources, offering customizable dashboards, automated reports, and advanced analytics to support better decision-making. The platform also includes collaboration tools and mobile access for on-the-go insights. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate Domo's user-friendly interface and its ability to handle large datasets smoothly. The drag-and-drop dashboard builder makes it easy for non-technical users to create visuals, while data teams can go deeper with SQL, Python, and built-in tools. The mobile app also mirrors much of the desktop functionality, making remote work easier. However, some challenges do exist. Users report that the initial setup can be time-consuming, especially for complex data environments. There are occasional syncing delays with external sources, and some features, like advanced alerts or predictive analytics, may require additional training or customization. Pricing is also a concern for smaller teams. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Domo is a strong choice for businesses seeking a comprehensive data analytics platform with powerful visualizations and team collaboration features. It works best for medium to large organizations ready to invest time into setup and training. If you're a small business or need something simpler out of the box, you may want to explore alternatives. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.